Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mercedes hood emblem. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a new emblem, and a clean cloth. Make sure your new emblem is the correct one for your specific Mercedes-Benz model. Working in a well-lit area will help you see clearly and ensure a smooth, safe replacement process. Let's get started with removing the old emblem. Now, let's remove the old emblem. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently insert it under the base of the existing emblem. Carefully pry upwards, applying even pressure to loosen it. Once it's slightly lifted, twist the emblem counterclockwise. This action will release the clips holding it in place, allowing you to remove it completely from the hood. Be gentle to avoid scratching your paint. With the old emblem removed, it's time to install the new one. First, clean the area on the hood where the emblem sits, ensuring no debris remains. Take your new emblem and carefully align its base with the opening. Once aligned, push down firmly and twist it clockwise. You should feel it click into place, indicating it's securely fastened. Double-check that it's centered and flush. Finally, let's perform some quick checks. Gently try to wiggle the new emblem to ensure it's firmly seated and won't come loose. Give the surrounding hood area a quick wipe down with a clean cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges, leaving your car looking pristine. And speaking of bringing things to life, you can bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.